Good morning to you all. Today I wish to speak on the importance of World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year. It is the largest international event on environment. It is held annually since 1973 and now it has become the largest global platform for environment outreach. The theme of this year World Environment Day is Beat Plastic Pollution. Every year, World Environment Day has a different theme used to raise awareness about a specific issue. This year, everyone is supposed to raise awareness on plastic pollution. Plastic waste has a negative impact on environment and on our health. This day will encourage the individual and organization to take action to reduce their plastic consumption. Our theme, Beat the Plastic Waste, is a major problem for all of us. Plastic waste is badly affecting our ecosystem, wildlife, human health, and animal health. It has polluted water bodies, rivers, seas, and environment. It has badly affected our oceans. Ocean pollution is a new threat for all of us. All metropolitan cities are having the mountains of plastic waste. We may not find effective way to eliminate plastic and reduce the plastic pollution till now. Now we may discuss how we may reduce the plastic waste. The first way is 4R system, that is reduce, reuse, recover and recycle. In this, our first step is we must reduce the use of plastic. It is the only way to beat the plastic pollution. We may use jute bag, cloth bag, paper bag, eco-friendly material pack for carrying articles from one place to another place and to our homes. Our awareness is to use the alternate substitute of plastic which may beat plastic pollution. Another best way to beat plastic pollution is reuse of plastic. If we may reuse of the plastic bag, straw, utensils and packaging, then it may reduce the use of plastic. The reuse of plastic may beat the plastic pollution. Next step will be to recover the plastic. If we may aware the people to recover the plastic, then we may also recover the plastic bags and we may reduce the plastic pollution. We should avoid the throw of the plastic here and there. The unusual throw of the plastic waste pollutes the soil, water and environment. Hence collect the plastic waste and send it to the agency for recycle. Recover practice must be effectively used to beat the plastic waste and the plastic pollution. Then the next step is recycle. If we may use the plastic waste for recycle, then it will beat plastic waste and beat plastic pollution. The next step for beating the plastic waste is to support plastic free campaign. We must take part in all such initiative that promotes plastic free society. It is the best practice to reduce the use of plastic. The next step is awareness campaign. It is also the best way to beat the plastic pollution. We must aware all people, institutions and individuals to make plastic free initiatives successful. We must support plastic free policies and initiatives. We all must try to reduce plastic waste. We must support sustainable and organic farming practices that may prioritize soil health, biodiversity, and reduce the chemical pesticides. We must try to reduce the food waste and next to prefer the plant based and vegetarian based diets. We must try to protect the natural habitat. We must reduce the deforestation, illegal wildlife trade, and must promote reforestation. It is our duty to do reforestation as much as possible. Plant more and more trees. Plant more and more plant at your home. Promote terrace gardening, kitchen gardening, and roof gardening. Promote flowers, small fruit plants, and green plants gardening at your roof. Plant at least one plant on World Environment Day and at your birthday. Don't throw plastic here and there after use. Throw it at a proper place from which it may be recovered. Aware all people about the plastic waste, plastic pollution, reduce plastic waste and plastic pollution. Take it as a challenge. Thanks.